understanding, provided that, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, provided that. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Provided that is a conditional phrase used in English to specify a requirement or a prerequisite. It's similar to saying, on the condition that, or, as long as. When you use this phrase, you're setting up a scenario where one thing will happen only if another condition is met. Let's look at some examples to understand how provided that works in sentences. You can go out with your friends, provided that you finish your homework. They will fund the project, provided that it meets their criteria. Notice how provided that introduces a condition that must be fulfilled for the main statement to be true. Be careful not to confuse provided that with providing that. They can often be used interchangeably, but providing that is less formal and not as commonly used. Also, don't use provided that when you actually mean because or since. Provided that isn't just for everyday conversation. It's also used in legal documents, formal agreements, and in academic writing. Its usage in a sentence doesn't change with the context, but it often makes the statement more formal or official. And there you have it. Provided that is your go-to phrase for setting conditions in English. Remember to use it when there's a requirement involved in your statement. I hope this video has provided clarity on the subject. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.